Hello guys, how are you today? Today, we're diving deep into the world of aspect ratios in Stable Diffusion Automatic 1111. We'll cover everything from the basics to advanced techniques, ensuring you can create stunning visuals with the perfect dimensions. First off, what exactly is an aspect ratio? It's the ratio of an image's width to its height. You'll often see it expressed as two numbers separated by a colon, like 16, 9, or 4, 3. This ratio determines the shape of your image and how it's displayed. Now, why is it so important? Well, using the correct aspect ratio ensures your images look their best, without any distortion or cropping. It also helps to create a specific mood or focus within your composition. To make managing aspect ratios a breeze in Automatic 1111, we'll be using a fantastic extension called Aspect Ratio Helper. This tool allows you to easily lock, adjust, and even create custom aspect ratios. First, head over to the Extensions tab in Stable Diffusion, then click on Available and Load from. Next, use Ctrl plus F to search for Aspect Ratio Helper. Once you've found it, click Install and then go to the Installed tab to check for updates. Finally, click Apply and Restart UI to activate the extension. Using the extension now that the extension is installed, you'll see a new drop-down menu in the interface. Here, you can choose from a variety of preset aspect ratios or even create your own custom ones. You can also lock the current ratio and adjust the image size while maintaining the proportions. Let's talk about some common aspect ratios and when you might use them. 16:9 is the standard for widescreen displays and YouTube videos. 4:3 is a bit more classic and often used for older photos and videos. 1:1 is perfect for Instagram and other social media platforms. And 9:16 is all the rage for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. But aspect ratio isn't just about technical specifications. It also plays a crucial role in composition. A 16:9 image can create a sense of vastness and is great for landscapes, while a 1:1 image can feel more balanced and symmetrical, making it ideal for portraits. Let's talk about some platform-specific recommendations. For Instagram, you'll generally want to stick with a 1:1 or 4:5 aspect ratio. For TikTok and Reels, 9:16 is your go-to. And for YouTube, 16:9 is the king, although 9:16 is becoming increasingly popular for shorts. So, there you have it, a complete guide to mastering aspect ratios in Stable Diffusion Automatic 1111. With this knowledge, you'll be able to create stunning visuals that are perfectly tailored to your needs. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Stable Diffusion tutorials. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.